Hello friends, now we will start electrochemistry. For the topic means first of all we will study about definitions. Some definitions is given. First definition is electrode potential, because now our topic is galvanic cell. In galvanic cell, you know this one is an electrochemical cell. Electrochemical cell means what? Chemical energy convert into electrical energy. That's why this one known as electrochemical cell. And in this topic some definition is given. That's why first definition is electrode potential. A potential difference develops between the electrode and electrolyte, which is called electropotential. You know, we have one beaker, two beaker, then two. In this two beaker, two different solution is present, and rod dip of two different metal like zinc and copper. That's why here word use potential difference between the electrode and electrolyte, which is called electropotential. Because in this beaker, suppose zinc sulfate, and in second beaker copper sulfate of solution when present, and that's why this solution two iron works as an electrolytic solution, and here dip two rod zinc and copper. That's why this one works as an electrode potential. Now second one is standard electrode potential, SEP. When the concentration of all the species involved in a half cell is unity, then the electrode potential is standard electrode potential. Means concentration solution present like 1 normal, 1 molar, etc. This type of concentration for present solution, and that's why this species involved in half cell of reaction. Half cell of means oxidation half and reduction half. You know, one works as a cathode, another one works as a anode. That's why two half reaction is involved, like reduction half and oxidation half. That's why the electrode potential known as standard electron potential. Third, cell potential. Cell potential means difference between the two electrodes of a galvanic cell is called cell potential. Galvanic cell known as electrochemical cell, and when used two different rod, that's why this one known as cell potential. EMF, cell electromotive force. Definition is the cell potential means, which one? Cell potential means what? Difference between two electrode of a galvanic cell, and that's why cell potential is the difference between the electrode potential of the cathode and anode. It is called the cell electromotive force. Why? Because you know, in electrochemical reaction, two types of rod or two types of half reaction is present. One is anode, another one is cathode. That's why when in this two solution, when two rod dip, like here one beaker, here also one beaker is present. Suppose here filled with zinc sulfate solution, ZnSO4. Second thing, here present copper sulfate solution, and here Cu plus 2 ion is present. That's why its color is blue, CuSO4 solution. And how to electron transfer means one beaker to another beaker. Then between them one salt bridge is present, and this one known as salt bridge. In this salt bridge, which solution is filled up? Then here potassium chloride. This type of solution present in salt bridge. Here two different rod or strip, means here zinc sulfate, that's why rod of zinc. Here copper sulfate solution is present, that's why rod or strip of copper. Clear? And here electron how to transfer, then between them one voltmeter is present, then current flow pass from anode to cathode easily. You know, here anode present and this one works as a negative. In right hand side cathode half cell present, that's why its works is positive. See, in this figure is for electrochemical cell, and which one works as a electrochemical cell? Then galvanic, either Daniel, either voltaic cell, these all are works as a electrochemical cell. And see, in this figure easily we can identify which one works as a oxidation half and which one works as a reduction half. Then here zinc, when converted into zinc plus 2, in previous lecture I already explained about oxidation half and reduction half, how to this one is converting and lose of electron and gaining of electron, I already explained. But in this topic this one is again present because this one known as galvanic cell, that's why I will explain again. See, in first beaker zinc sulfate solution is present, in second beaker copper sulfate solution is present, that's why here anode present on left hand side, cathode present on right hand side, that's why we can easily write anode works as oxidation half reaction. Oxidation half reaction means what? This one is a loss of electron. That's why when zinc solid convert into zinc 2 plus ion, and when this solid convert into its aqueous medium loss of 2 electron, that's why this one known as oxidation half reaction, because its definition is loss of electron. Clear? That's why here Zn convert into 2 plus medium, that's why we will write here 2E minus, loss of 2 electron. Now second one is cathode reaction. On cathode which solution is present? Copper sulfate, and cathode works is reduction half cell, and reduction half cell means what? Gaining of electron. Gaining of electron means what? When this Cu plus 2 aqueous when convert into Cu solid. See, left hand side Cu2 plus, how many charge is present? 2 plus. That's why here 2 plus means 2 electron when gained, then convert into Cu solid. You know, when these two half reaction, like one is LHS side and another one is RHS side, left hand side and right hand side, when these both half cell reaction when combined with each other, then formation of full either complete redox reaction. Why? Because see, here 2E minus, here 2E minus, means opposite side 2E minus is present, that's why easily cancel out. And now from arrow left hand side, which one is present? Zinc solid. In second reaction, which one present? Cu2 plus aqueous. Between them one arrow present. Then see, here which one present? Zinc plus 2, aqueous. Then in second reaction, Cu solid. That's why this one known as redox complete reaction. Okay, now second one, flow, electron current flow from anode to cathode means what? Here when electron flow, electron pass, then anode rod to cathode rod. Why? Because zinc metal convert into zinc plus 2 means lose of electron. Here you know which ion is present? Cu plus 2. That's why gaining of electron. Why? Because when gives us pure metal solid medium, then compulsory Cu plus 2 convert into its original medium. That's why gaining of electron. And by help of one salt bridge and between them electron transferring, which one is present? Voltmeter. Either we can use one bulb, then easily electron current, either electron flow pass one beaker to second beaker. Second thing, one formula is present. One formula means what? When E cell value, how to calculate, because this type of numerical is most important in board exam, and in your board exam 2 marks, either 3 marks, this type of question present. Then how to calculate, and its formula is E cell is equal to E right minus E left. Right minus left. Right minus left means what? Right hand side which one is present? Cathode. And left hand side which one is present? Anode. That's why also we can write here cathode minus anode. Cathode minus anode. Clear? Now second thing. Suppose in your textbook one reaction is given. Second reaction means one works as a anode and another works as a cathode, but two ion is different. One is Cu plus 2, another one is silver plus 2. Here used Zn plus 2. Clear? Then Cu and silver, this type of two different ion when present, then this both one works as a cathode and anode half cell reaction. Friends, you know these two half cell when combined with each other, then complete redox reaction form. Always remember, half cell means two different side and two different cell gives us two different reaction, means losing and gaining. That's why its works is half cell reaction. Second thing, in this topic one portion is already present, means what? Cathode and anode, and then after one difference like electrolytic and one is electrochemical. Either second name is galvanic cell. Why? Because electrochemical cell example is galvanic cell, Daniell cell, and third one is Voltaic cell. This all are known as electrochemical cell, and that's why this different is most important, and this one present in 3 marks question, and that's why its point is, first point is definition of electrochemical and electrolytic. See here electrochemical and second side electrolytic cell. Clear? Here electrochemical, either second word present galvanic cell. Then difference between electrochemical and electrolytic. See here which word is present? Chemical, and here lytic. That's why first point is chemical energy convert into electrical energy. This one known as electrochemical cell. Here which word is present? Lytic. That's why first point is electrical energy convert into chemical energy. This one known as electrolytic cell. Now second point is, in this reaction, above reaction gives us anode works as a negative and cathode works as a positive. That's why anode works as a negative and cathode half cell, either cathode rod, works as a positive. And in electrolytic cell, which word is present? Then anode, totally opposite to galvanic cell. That's why anode is equal to positive, then cathode is equal to negative. Clear? Now third point. Third point means this one is spontaneous reaction. Spontaneous reaction. And in electrolytic cell, non-spontaneous reaction is present. Now, fourth point means what? Here, in electrochemical cell, produce EMF. EMF means what? Electromotive force. Here produce EMF, then here release EMF. EMF full name is electromotive force. That's why here fourth point, is produce EMF, and here release EMF, electromotive force. Now fourth point, then after you can also write then how to electron flow pass from anode to cathode. Anode to cathode means electron current in both reaction pass from anode to cathode, but anode sign is different. Like in this reaction anode works as a negative, then in this reaction anode works as a positive. That's why in electron current flow pass from anode to cathode. Now second, this one is a reversible reaction and electrolytic cell is irreversible. This one is the most important point. One is reversible, then another one is irreversible reaction. That's why between them this reaction when occur, then this one works as a electrolytic and electrochemical cell. That's why fifth point is reversible and irreversible. Clear? Now second thing, in electrochemical cell two half reaction occur, like anode half cell and cathode half cell, and as well as in electrolytic cell both type of reaction occur, anode half and cathode half. This all points for difference between electrochemical and electrolytic. This one is the most important question. Clear? Now second one, in above first we will study definition, some definition like EMF, cell EMF, standard EMF, then after cell potential, standard cell potential. This type of reaction we already studied. This one is also important. Why important? Because this type of numerical present, standard when word present, then this E cell works as a E0 cell, either E0 cell, then this one works as a standard medium. Second thing, between them oxidation and reduction reaction when occur, then vertical line is present. Vertical line is present means what? We have two different solution. One is zinc sulfate and another one is copper sulfate. That's why these two separate ion. How to write? Then here when zinc convert into zinc plus 2, then we can easily identify ion is same, but zinc solid when convert into its aqueous medium, then between them one single vertical line is present. But second one is copper sulfate. Two separate solution, how to indicate it? Then double vertical line, and this double vertical line indicated difference or separate between two solution. That's why when here this one works as an oxidation, then in second side copper 2 plus single vertical line copper, then this one works as a reduction, means gaining of electron. Clear? Then we will continue in next lecture. Thank you.